How to add materials to your family Fontana in Revit 2026. Open it, then go to front. Let's select this line, the outside. Go to materials, then select it or press on it. I want to make the marble material, or create whatever you want, any kind of material that you want. Then press on OK. Now we apply the material. After that, I want to make the water. Let's select this shape, the void shape, press on it, go to edit, then select all of the lines, select this one, then press on tab, you select multiple lines, then click on your mouse, then press on Ctrl C, we want a copy, then press on X or finish. After that, go to create, revolve, then press on Ctrl V and select this point, then go to offset. We don't want a copy. Let's make it down here. We are creating the water material, and also this one the same. And this one. And this one the same. After that, go to axis line. We want the center, this point to this point. Then press on finish. Then go to materials, we are selected. Then go to materials, press on this square. Then select the water material or create water material. Select it, then go to environment. I want it plaza, and let's change the scene to sphere, and it looks good. Then press on OK. Go to 3D, and here it is. Let's open it in Enscape. Go to Enscape, then press on start. And here it is.